Love, I am blessed, really blessed and blessed indeed to have you as my lovely wife. And I will expect our children would tell their future friends the same thing as they are blessed, really blessed and blessed indeed to have you as their mother. I know only a handful of individuals know that you are more than just a lovely wife and a great mother, but also a thoughtful daughter, a responsible sister, a selfish teacher, a good employee, contented person, a unique Christian, and above all, a champion for Christ. I won't try to delve into details for each as I think I need not to do anything to prove them. But I'd like to emphasize your being a thoughtful daughter. Back in 2000 years, not 2000 years, back in 2006, I recall we planned to get married the following year, but we had to defer the plan because you had unable to secure your parent a new house. I saw you work hard, spend wisely, and prayed earnestly that you will be given by God the ability to earn more and save more that will be able you to purchase a house and lot for your parents. And 2 years after, boom! New house and lot for your parents. I witnessed how happy you were with this accomplishment. This house is normally a responsibility of the eldest child and seldom seen to a fourth child like you. Grabe puso mo, love. Lubos ang paghanga ko. To close, may I ask, Google ka ba? Lahat kasi na hinahanap ko, sa'yo ko natagpuan. To seriously end, I'd like to congratulate you for being a loyalty awardee of Whole Child Academy. Ikaw na, the best ka. Mahal na mahal kita. Salamat din po sa pamunuan ng Whole Child Academy. Pagpalain tayo ng Diyos.